Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on and show you guys my Valentine's Day themed nails of the week. And I did my nails. It was my second time using this, the Airbrit Polygel, and I did this dark pink, which is a really pretty color. It's only my second time, so I did not do that great a job, so excuse the flaws that you may see. So today I decided to go over them with some polish. Now I did a gel top coat after I finished the nails, and then I decided to use a regular polish, and I use the Simple Colors Love Bombs, and it's a really pretty pink glitter with, I don't know if you guys can see that good, with these blue hearts in it. Now I had trouble getting these suckers out. I shook it, spinned it, turned it, did so much, and I could not get them to come down. So I wasn't able to put them on all the nails like I wanted to with the glitter. I wanted to have some here and more than, you know, what you see here. On this hand, I was only able to get one on those two nails. It was so hard to get out. Like, I stuck this cuticle. This is the long cuticle stick, okay? I stuck this down in there this far, and I could not pull up none of the hearts at all. None was coming out. I even tried to pour some on my little palette thing. I poured some polish out. No hearts would come out with it. So I was using the brush, digging in there. It was just like a whole thing. So this was all I was able to get. So I decided to put some of my Simple Colors pickup line Valentine's Day stickers on. This is what that looks like. I chose friend me, so you know that means like subscribe, be my friend, okay? And I'm an XOXO for you doing that. So I just decided to throw a sticker on the nails that I didn't add the glitter on. I just left the thumbs blank. Like I said, I really want to try to do this over again, the whole polygel thing. I have to just keep practicing till I get it down, but I just thought it was a cute little quick little do. And then when I got done putting the regular polish on the nails, I did go over it with the Airbrit gel top coat as well over the regular nail polish and cured it, and it did just fine. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you guys, my nails of the day. I think they turned out sort of cute. You know, it's not exactly what I was going for, but I like them. So yeah, Valentine's Day is one of my favorite months to do nail art, and I haven't had a chance to do it yet, and it's almost Valentine's Day, so I had to hurry up and try to get something done. I'm hoping I can do at least one or two more designs before Valentine's gets here. I almost forgot. I also want to give a shout out. I'm going to do a shout out in this video because she did a shout out for me. Plus, she's a subscriber, and she's been subscribed to my channel for some years now. And I really appreciate her being a subscriber. She is also a YouTuber and has a YouTube channel. She's almost to, I think, 1,000 subscribers. She needs about 3 or 4 more subbies. So I would love if you guys would go over there, subscribe to her, and leave her a comment and say LuvNailsNicole sent me, and go subscribe her channel. Her name is K Lilia. She does nails. She does a lot of stamping and polishing and different things like that. So yeah, y'all go over there and go check out her channel. She's really sweet. She's always coming over and supporting me. She shouted me out in one of her videos, so I want to do the same back. Thanks, girl. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all head over. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box, or you can search her. I'm going to show her YouTube channel right here on the screen. Make sure you go subscribe, watch a video, give it a thumbs up, and show some love. Yeah, that's it, you guys. I use Simple Colors Love Bombs glitter with blue hearts in it, and my Simple Colors pickup line stickers. The polygel is Airbrit. It was a kit that I got. There is a video of me unboxing and using the kit for the first time. If I remember, I'll try to put the links to those videos in the description box. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.